Hey guys, it's Greg at Vanguard Motor Sales. Man, I got one beautiful 67 Camaro for you today. She's got an RS front end on it, and the trim tag on the firewall tells us it was born as RS. She is looking sweet as can be. Love those covers on the headlights. Just really sets off the front of these cars. Just looking absolutely gorgeous, man. And the blue paint is just slick as can be. They've done a beautiful job on the restoration of this car. I tell you what, she is a beauty. Now all the body lines are nice and straight. You see how nice that hood fits there? Looking absolutely beautiful. And the body man himself did a beautiful job getting this car nice and straight before they squirted on this beautiful blue paint. It's got a real light metallic in it, looking beautiful. Now the door is lining up real nice and flush here also. All the stainless is in good shape. Door handle looks like it's probably brand new. And then check out the blue interior, man. That door panel looking sweet, nice and clean. You can see all the blue paint on the dash looking good. All the upholstery looks like it's brand new also. We got great looking, it looks like the original seat belts in it. So there are two seat belts in the back seat there. That upholstery in the back looks new. The headliner looks new. I mean, everything about this car looks like 1967. Now, a quick lesson on Camaros. When you're looking at a Camaro, if you're trying to tell whether you got a 67, 68, or 69, there's a real easy way to tell. This vent window is the only year in 67 the vent window came. Now in a 68, there is no vent window, and then there are no gills here. On a 69, they've got the gills right here. So that's a quick way to tell what year a Camaro is. You can see down the side looking slick as can be. The chrome on the back bumper looks good. Always check out these taillight bezels. Fuel fill here looking sweet. Camaro emblem looks like it's brand new. The deck lid's fitting nice. You can see how all the trim around the back window also fitting real nice. As you look down the passenger side, nice and straight, looking sweet. Just love this blue. I tell you what, blue is like my new favorite color. I had a blue car a while back. I got tons of attention with that car. So give us a call anytime at 248-974-9513, and Tom will tell you all about this beautiful car. All right, 67 Camaro time, baby. 4-speed, 327 up front, RS front end up front, and driving just as sweet as can be. Got one finger on the wheel here. Just handling nice. Tell you, she's driving nice and quiet also. Well, we got a damn trailer in the way here. Get to do a little stunt driving here. Get through my S-turns here. Now at Vanguard, we can ship this car anywhere in the world. So you just give Tom a call, he'll tell you all about it. Now I'm downshifting through all the gears. It's staying in all the gears, no problem. Clutch feels real nice. It's got a real nice area there for the release, just where it should be. Got a nice rumble to it too. We can help you out with financing too if you need any help. But yeah, just as smooth as can be and quiet as can be too, man. Not any noticeable real big rattles or anything. Like I said, I just downshifted through the gears there too, no problem whatsoever. I'm in second right now. Pop it up in third here. We'll take a look at the dash. Everything on the dash is looking sweet. Looks like the speedo's working. The tack is mounted to the steering wheel here. It also looks like it's working. You see the gas gauge there is reading about just a little less than half. It does have an aftermarket radio in it, which is cool. The original radios didn't work with a hoot anyway, and it was probably just AM back in '67. Then we've got a couple of gauges underneath the dash too. It's aftermarket. That's a little nicer. Instead of the lights that are on the dash, you can actually see what the oil pressure is and what the water temperature is. Again, like I said, it's going through the gears just as smooth as can be. I can't imagine it being any better than the way it's shifting right now. Now stick with us because we're about to head back to the shop where we're gonna put this Camaro up on the lift so you can check out how nice the bottom side is. And then of course we're gonna get the hood up, take a look at that 327. She does have air conditioning also. Make sure you share this video with your buddies and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We're always posting new cars. Stick with us, we're putting this one in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath the 67 now, and it is just as pretty underneath here, man. She is gorgeous. It's got a stock appearing exhaust system on it, but that is a stainless steel muffler. And that 12 bolt is right around the 323 gear, and it is Posi. You can see it's got the stock torque arm that came from the factory, which is really cool. Now on the brakes, the guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. You can see the exhaust looks good all the way to the front here. We've got a great looking fuel line. We've got great looking brake lines. Those are all brand new. The floorboard's got like a shiny black painted on it. We got new bushings in the frame. The frame is also painted shiny black. We got a Muncie 4-speed trans. We got a stock appearing bell housing. We got stock clutch linkage here, a stock appearing starter. Up front here, all the suspension looks new. They've definitely gone through it. Looks like it's got a new tie rod in. We got disc brakes up front. Everything up here has been cleaned up, looking good. The chin spoiler's looking good on this thing also. Front bumper chrome right down to the bottom edge looking good. Then we've got BFGs on the tires. We've got the stock wheels on there, and I believe these are 14s. Yeah, 225/60 14s up front. As you look down the side, that blue paint is looking sweet. Rocker moldings are looking sweet. Pinch weld looks good. Now these are all things you need to look at on every car, man. That pinch weld is just as clean as can be. You can see that new fuel line there also. Now out back, we got the same good looking wheel and probably the same size tire. Yeah, 225/60 14s. Well, let's lower this baby down and look at that 327. All right, under the hood here, we got a 327. Now, I verified that by the casting number, and the casting number, it's right here behind the driver's side head down on the block. It actually says that this is a 1967 327. I have not found any numbers on the block that tells me that its numbers matching, but she is definitely a 67 327 for sure by the casting number. Everything's looking sweet under here. It's got a stock appearing distributor. We got power brakes, power steering. Everything's painted up nice. We got stock appearing AC also. That carburetor is a stock appearing carburetor also, and the intake looks correct. Firewall's nice and clean. Wiring harnesses are nice and clean. We got GM markings on the hoses. We got period correct clamps on everything. The bottom side of the hood's painted chassis black. The inner wheelhouses are all painted chassis black. Everything looking sweet on this car. Guys, and she's driving awesome. I know you already saw me do the drive. I did the drive here just a little bit ago. I mean, just an awesome driving little car here, guys. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.